How you going? Welcome to Lockdown Review. We have ourselves a Russell Hobbs Toaster. I haven't unboxed this yet. I haven't looked at it yet. Let's do this together, eh?
Like Christmas morning, this. I might get a new toaster. Box. Like a bit of polystyrene to get it going. Plastic bag. Another piece of cardboard.
Instructions. 2-year warranty. Beautiful. Does that mean if I burn the toast, I get a warranty claim? Hints and tips. So my guess is you probably got to read this, but considering I've used toasters before and had some success with it, I think we should be fine. Warning, bread may burn. Well, that's good advice. Alright, so we've got ourselves a toaster. It's got the black honeycomb effect on it. Whee, look at that. Look at these. They're for your crumbs, I guess. Alright, so the object of today's experiment is to turn bread into toast. Got myself a power lead. No, I'm kidding. Alright. It's not fitting in. There we go, you have to turn it sideways. Alright, now we've got a few knobs here. Don't know if you can see these knobs. Now I'm guessing this is what the instructions are for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I like it a little bit on the lighter side, so let's go safe. Yeah, let's go 4. We've got an eject, a fast forward, and a smoking toast. Cool. I really should read the instructions, but let's give it a go. Ready? Fire in the hole. Let's have a look at this toaster while it's cooking. So we have the honeycomb effect on the sides, nice black looking stuff on the outside. Got these little buttons here. Let's see if there's a picture of the buttons. Oh, here we go. Okay, so the top button, the eject, is cancel button. There we go. The one that looks like an icicle is defrost button. Do we defrost steak? That'd be an interesting thing for uni students, but I doubt it. And then we have the smoking toast, which is the reheat button. Now, if you got to reheat your toast, I'm thinking you've done something a little bit wrong. Why don't we try one of these buttons out? How about the eject, the cancel button? Whee! There it goes. Whoa! Well, there we go. It toasted. Just what I expected. As you can see, the toast is pretty well done. Top's a little bit on the whiter side, but that's okay. Here's for the taste test. Scrum-diddly-umptious. That's toast.